40 years industrial experience, retired at a vice president, and during the journey I must have done many transformations, and afterwards joined Welingkar last 4 years working on head IT. We are going to learn here a concept called transformation from we individual, how we can work together on the platform of WeSchool through a PLM through the digital learning program. The self-transformation is the content. Let's listen, let's enjoy.
So in today's session of building self-transformation, really learned a lot of new things. I would say it was a really different approach towards all the things that we have learned today. Ashok sir taught us different ways in which we can solve problems, modern problems in an ancient way, especially the free thinking, wherein we identify our problems at a grassroots level, then make the changes in our present and also plan our futures ahead so that we can achieve the best and become an advanced and enhanced version of ourselves. The key takeaway, or you can say the highlight of today's event, was a patrika, which we could have never imagined, a horoscope table being made into a way wherein we identify our problems, look into the future perspectives and everything. So I would really thank Welingkar and Ashok sir for giving us so much knowledge from today's session. Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Sawant. I'm a part of the hybrid training program here, and I am a student of the first year. Now in this session that we had today on building self-transformation, it was an excellent session. We got to learn things, extremely new things, and something that we have never heard of in the first place. Something which was connecting us, motivating us, and helping us to focus on how to create our own goals and align our tasks to achieve those goals in the long run. It's definitely something that none of the students should actually miss. It's worth attending, worth the time spent, and the great effort by Welingkar. Thank you.